To create a Woodforest mobile account, start by downloading the Woodforest mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Register button. You will be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions of the app. Next, enter your account information, including your account number and social security number or tax identification number. This information is used to verify your identity and link your account to the mobile app. You will also need to create a username and password for your mobile account. After entering your account information, you will receive a verification code sent to your registered phone number or email address. Enter this code into the app to verify your identity. Once verified, you can set up your account preferences, including setting up account alerts and notifications. To add accounts to your mobile app, click on the Add Account button and enter the account information for the account you want to add. You can add multiple accounts, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. You can also set up bill pay and transfer funds between accounts. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to use a strong password and keep your account information confidential. You should also regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Woodforest Bank. By following these steps, you can create a Woodforest mobile account and start managing your finances on the go. It is also important to note that you can use the Woodforest mobile app to deposit checks, pay bills, and transfer funds between accounts. You can also use the app to locate ATMs and branches, and to contact customer support. By taking advantage of these features, you can make the most of your Woodforest mobile account and simplify your financial management.